So good afternoon guys, I'm having dinner tonight. I'm gonna cook some pasta. So I put about 1 liter of water here, salt and vegeta, and I'm gonna add some oil in there, like that much. That's it, let it slowly boil up. And then I'm gonna cook pasta. Whoa! So what pasta I'm gonna use tonight? Which pasta do you think is the best for this recipe? I think the middle one is the best. I'm gonna use that one. So let the water boil up. When it's boiled, you empty 250 grams of pasta. And in this other saucepan that I cooked last night, let the garden piece heat up, on a low heat. So that's the way. And then just stir it through, nice and easy. I'm here, I'm in the kitchen. Stir it through like a couple of times until it starts to boil, and then leave it. So while the pasta is cooking, I'm heating up this one, and then I'm gonna put the pasta in here, and then I'm gonna mix it through another dinner time. And then when the pasta are ready like this, not quite ready, needs to cook for a couple of minutes more, 3-4 minutes, and it's done. So when the pasta are finished, empty it into here. Let's heat it up, everything, and then mix it through, nice and easy. Yeah, and that's it, so mix it so like that, nice and easy, Amke's kitchen. Look at the meat, Wow, that's beautiful, Mix it all the way. And then so I put some sour cream and mix it all together, nice and easy. So sour cream, and I have the sauerkraut here, yeah. And then so that's it, Amke's dinner tonight, you see. Beautiful meal, beautiful meal. And that's it with sour cream and sauerkraut that my mom made. Bon appetit, I'm here. Bon appetit. See you later.